Hello, in this episode, we'll be discussing a report which may be run using SIM. The report is titled Project Hours, Budget versus Actual. This report will show the amount of hours you've received or were budgeted during a specific time frame versus the amount of hours used during a specific time frame, hence the name Budget versus Actual Hours report. The first thing you'll need to do is click on the yellow reporting button located at the top center of the screen. In the Module tab, click on Finance. In the Report tab, click on Project Hours, Budget versus Actual. Once that is completed, you'll need to add the criteria or the parameters of your search. To do this, double-click on All of the following are true, or click on the plus symbol located in the center of the screen. Once this is done, the Add Columns box appears. For this training, we'll choose the following parameters. Overall complete date is after 10/1/2013. Make sure the operator is changed from is equal to is after, and post your starting point. Once that is done, you'll need to click OK. Now we'll need to place an endpoint. Double-click on All of the following are true once again. Choose the overall complete date is before 12/31/2013. Under the Operator tab, you'll want to change is equal to is before. And the value will need to change to the endpoint. In this case, it's 12/31/2013. And then click OK. You can place any dates of your choosing. For this training, we've chosen these dates. Once the dates have been placed, double-click on All of the following are true and search for the in charge. Then click OK. You'll want to keep the operator is equal to and then place the value as the in charge. I've chosen William Young. To save this report for future reference, click on the Save button, title your report, and then click OK. Here's the Save button. Title the report, and click OK. To pull this report in the future, you'll need to choose Finance in the Module tab. And from the Report tab, you'll need to choose Project Hours, Budget versus Actual. If you notice in the Saved Queries box, I have no report saved. Click on Project Hours and the report that you saved will appear. For the criteria or the parameters to appear, simply double-click the New Budget or Actual Hours report. You may need to update the dates to your choosing. To do this, double-click the date and amend and click OK. For the sake of this training, we will bypass that. Now that we've added our criteria, click on the Preview Report button. Depending on your internet connection and the traffic on the server, this report may take a few minutes. You may also choose to group by Engineering Supervisor, State and Engineering Supervisor. For this training, we'll choose No Grouping. The report will list every job where you've been listed as the in charge in SIM during the specific dates you placed in the criteria box. Click OK to run the report. Again, the report will list every job where you've been listed as the in charge in SIM during the specific dates you placed in the criteria box. The top number is the budgeted hours, and the bottom number is the actual hours posted to that job. The number to the right is the difference. If the number is in parentheses, that signifies that the actual hours were more than the budgeted hours by that number. To view the total hours, go to the page listing the totals. This page is located towards the end of the report. For this training, we'll focus on the total installation hours. Notice the total jobs were budgeted for 202 hours. The actual hours were 79 hours. The difference between the two is 122 hours. This means the installer, William Young, came in under the budgeted hours by 122 hours. The percentage column reads that William Young used 39% of the hours given to him. The goal is to be at or below the budgeted hours. Thank you. That concludes our training.